Welcome, this is a new Pulot Ayos Basura video, and this is a Zebot Z320 vacuum cleaner. So I found this from the trash, however the adapter is missing, so I have to go to the local electronic shop to buy a new one. So this is the new 12 volts adapter, and it's completely compatible. As you can see here, the unit is now charging using the new adapter and also working with the charging deck. So I also found that the front wheel has missing rubber, or the rubber that connects to the roller is already damaged and missing. So I already checked online, but I cannot find any replacement part for this. So I have to find a way to replace this front wheel. So going into the local shop, I found these two rubber foot that is used for the chairs or table. So we're going to use this one as an alternative. So we need to connect both of this rubber foot into the roller, and we're going to use a Dremel tool to trim the rubber. So this is the process of trimming the rubber until it fits the vacuum. So I just kept on trimming this rubber until it fits, and so cleaning those uneven edges. So this is the final result of our trimming, and we're going to install this onto the vacuum, and from here we can see it's perfectly fits. So I also cleaned the vacuum, the rubber, the dust storage, and the brush before we test the unit. So this is the test. Just need to power on the unit and select the option to clean, and this is for UV switch, and now it's working. For this unit, most probably the reason why the owner throw this unit is because of the missing front wheel rubber. So without this front wheel, the unit will not move properly. So I tested this unit and I found that all the sensors are working. The unit will stop when there's a blockage along the way. So the UV light is also working. This one helps to kill the germs and bacteria along the way. So I hope you learned something about this repair, and see you again in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.